Hi everyone, I'm Allison Cochran, your Teen Services Librarian, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy wire organizer craft. Now, this craft only takes a few seconds to put together. If you're decorating it, it might take a little bit longer, but this quick, easy craft is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of hassle organizing your wires, and they'll keep them from getting all tangled up. All you need are 2 clothespins and some glue. Now I'm using hot glue because that is what's available to me in my home. Any kind of glue is going to work for this craft. What you need to do is you need to take your glue, apply glue to one of the tops of one of your clothespins. Now if you're using hot glue like me, you don't really need a lot. If you're using stick glue or another type of glue, you might need a little more glue. It all just depends on what type of glue you are using. And then, once you have the glue on top, you're going to place the other clothespin facing the opposite direction so that you can easily wrap your wires around it. And then you let it dry. And then you're all set unless you want to decorate it. You can use whatever you want. For this example one, I used colored pencils because that's what I have available to me in my home. Pretty much anything works on these wire organizers. To wrap your wires around the organizer, I'll show you real quick. Let me just undo it. I'm going to take one end of your wire and squeeze your organizer, stick it in here, and to wrap around in between the 2 clothespins. So where the clothespin opens here and where the clothespin opens here, that's where you're wrapping to keep your wire from getting tangled. And then when you run out of space, you clip the bottom one and stick it through the hole of the bottom of your wire organizer. That's it, a real simple way to keep your wires organized. And even though it's a quick craft, it'll help save you a lot of hassle in the long run because your wires won't get tangled anymore. I hope you enjoy making your craft at home.